Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Thulecite and Don't Starve together using an easy method. Thulecite is a highly valuable and rare material, essential for crafting powerful ancient items. You'll primarily find it deep within the Ancient Guardian's maze, a challenging but rewarding area. To prepare, ensure you have a sturdy pickaxe and a reliable weapon for combat. This approach simplifies the process, making Thulecite acquisition much more manageable for any player. Before venturing into the ruins, thorough preparation is key to success. Equip yourself with the best armor you can craft, like a Thulecite crown or a knight armor, and stock up on healing items such as healing salves or pierogi. A reliable light source, like a miner hat with plenty of light bulbs, is crucial for navigating the dark depths. Don't forget a strong weapon, perhaps a tentacle spike or a ham bat, to handle the dangers ahead. Once you're in the ruins, your goal is to find the Ancient Guardian's maze. This area is distinct and often contains many Thulecite walls and pillars. Use your pickaxe to break these structures, and they will drop Thulecite fragments and sometimes whole Thulecite. While exploring, be cautious of the various hazards, including the dangerous ancient pseudoscience stations and other hostile creatures that inhabit the ruins. Stay alert and manage your sanity. With your newly acquired Thulecite, you can now craft some of the most powerful items in Don't Starve together, like the Thulecite crown or the Thulecite suit. These items offer significant advantages in combat and exploration. Remember that Thulecite items can be repaired using Thulecite fragments at an ancient pseudoscience station, extending their durability. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.